I'm Zach from Kid2Kid Tutorials, and today we're going to be using the equation from last week from graphing circles and put that into some problems. Okay, so let's get started with the problem. So we have here x squared plus y squared minus 10x plus 4y equals 20. So now we're going to rearrange this problem to complete the square, to make it easier to complete the square. So what we need to do is rearrange it into this. X squared minus 10x plus y squared plus 4y equals 20. So now this is more organized, and now we can complete the square easier. So easily. So what we need to do to complete the square is add 25, because if we add so what we need to do is so if we have 5 plus 5, that's equal to 10. And 5 times 5, that's equal to 25. That's how we got 25. If we did 2 times 5, that's also 10, but that's 10. But if we do 2 plus 5, that's 7. So 5 plus 5 is 10, so that's why we're using that. So we add 25 to both sides, and we also add a 4 to complete the square for y. So we do the same thing. So x squared minus 10x plus 25, and then plus y squared plus 4y plus 4, because we did the same thing here. So 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 plus 2 is also 4. So, and that's equal to 20 plus 25 plus 4. Remember, what we do to one side, we must do to the other. Now we move on to the problem. So let's simplify both sides of the equation. So let's simplify the left side first. So to complete the square, x squared minus 10x plus 25, if we complete the square, it's going to equal x minus 5, and that whole thing squared. Because if you do x minus 5 times x minus 5, and you simplify that out, you get the same thing, x squared minus 10x plus 25. So that's the simplified form of this. So parentheses x minus 5 and closing parentheses, and that whole thing squared. And then for the y, we get y, so plus y, so plus parentheses y, and then plus 2, and that whole thing squared. And same with this. If you simplify that all out, you'll get y squared plus 4y plus 4. And then equals 20 plus 25 plus 4 is equal to 49. So 49. So this is our final equation. Now we got it to the form x minus h plus y minus k equals the radius r. So now we can see what, and it's squared. So now we can see, and the radius is squared. Okay, now you can see the center point and radius. So since the radius is squared, we square root the right side of the equation, which is the radius. So 49 squared is 7. So 7 is the radius. And now we also have to find the center point. So r equals 7, and the center point is 5, negative 2. So the center point is 5, negative 2. So now that we have the radius 7 and the center point 5, negative 2, we got that from here. 5, so if it's a negative, so 5, and then negative 2 here for h and k. So now we are going to graph the circle. So now we graph these points. So the center point is 5, negative 2. So we start there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, right there. So now we go 7 spaces up, down, left, and right. So let's go 7 spaces to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 7 spaces to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 spaces up, right there. 7 to the left, right here, and 7 and down. So right there. So now we graph a circle using all these points. And looks like that. And now, I know it's not the best circle, but if we had a perfect circle, it would look something like that. And we have the radius. So now in a new improved circle, and now we can see the radius of 7. Thank you for watching Kid2Kid Tutorials. And if you like our videos, please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.